Hey guys, it's Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Today, Apple and Amazon reports earnings. What a day. I can't remember the last time I saw both Apple and Amazon report earnings. Usually they do it one day apart. Today, both of them. Apple's been my bread and butter product for over 6 years. I've been trading it. I trade it on earnings. I trade it on a daily basis. I always have a position on an Apple. So what do I see out of the option market? The 615 straddle, which is the 615 call, plus the 615 put, is giving me around a $32 straddle. What does this give me? This gives me it gives me an implied movement. The implied movement is 6.3% in Apple. Then I look at the historical movement. The stock has historically moved exactly 6.3% on earnings over the last 4 quarters. The stock has sold off twice, and then it's rallied twice on earnings. Then I go to measure move targets. 615 plus $32 gives me right around the 650 level. 615 minus $32 puts the stock at 580. It sold off to 574 on earnings. And then the 585 is also the 200-day moving average. Next part of the trade, I look at the chart. If I had to take away the top that said Apple on the chart, this stock looks very, very weak. Lower lows, lower highs. iPad mini could not save this. The stock seems like it wants to go lower. Rationalize it could say it did triple bottom at the 610 level to the downside. 150-day moving average is around 612.50. However, I think Apple's going lower. But when I'm trading, I always want to have a risk versus reward setup. So I'd use this option market, use the implied movement, historical movement, and then I put on a trade. So the one I'm looking at is buying the Apple weekly. It's over tomorrow, plain just for the catalyst, just for earnings. 610, 580, 550, put fly. Buying the 610 puts, buying the 550 puts, selling twice as many of the 680 puts. I can do this for around $5.50. So on this trade, risk $550 per one lot. Reward $2,450 per one lot. If Apple goes right to 580, which is the measure move target to the downside, I can 5 times my money on this trade. Risk, reward, and then I have my break even. What is my break even going to be? To the downside, 2 break even spots on a put fly at all times, 555 half, and I'm also going to have a break even at 604 half. I think Apple's going to move 6.2%, but I think it's moving to the downside. There's too much bad negative energy. $8.85 is expected on $36 billion. If their iPad numbers are weak, if they think that iPad mini is going to cannibalize the iPad market, the stock is headed lower. This is my trade in Apple. If you want to watch me trade equity options, futures and forex, real-time, real money, I go over 6 to 8 earnings trades a day. You can email Andrew@KeenOnTheMarket.com, and I can let you in to watch me trade real-time, real money. Thanks, guys, and run it back next week.